Dr. A.R. Arishri was born on 21st September 1954. Dr. Ramachandra Arishri Ankisetti is currently the Director of School of Management Studies, JNTUH, Hyderabad. He has 3 decades of experience in teaching, training, research and consulting. He secured a PhD in Commerce and Management from Andhra University in 1989. He holds an MBA in Human Resources from Indira Gandhi Open University, New Delhi 2007. He also holds an MCom in Cost Accounting and Taxation from Sri Venkateswara University 1975. He holds a BCom in Business Statistics from Sri Venkateswara University in 1973. He published several textbooks through McGraw-Hill for BTech programs of JNTU and Anna University. Some of the books are Management Science and Managerial Economics, Financial Analysis, Principles of Management, and Financial Accounting.
He has organized several seminars, refresher courses, faculty development programs, and executive development programs in association with several professional bodies and corporates such as Andhra Pradesh Urban Services for Tata Consulting Services, Harvey Concrete, SPSS South Asia, and many more. Presently, he is the Director of Management for School of Management Studies, JNTUH. He was Associate Professor in Commerce, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad, teaching BTech, MBA part-time and MCA courses between 1993 to 1998. He was Associate Professor in Commerce, School of Management Studies, JNTU Hyderabad between 1990 to 1993. He was Assistant Professor in Commerce at JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad and Kakinada between 1977 to 1990 and lecturer in Commerce at Indian Institute of Management and Commerce, Hyderabad between 1976 to 1977.
He is a life member of several professional bodies such as Indian Industrial Relations Association, New Delhi, Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi, Indian Accounting Association, Hyderabad, HRT Network, Hyderabad, and Society of Entrepreneur Educators, Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. He has 65 research papers published in national and international journals and conferences. He has been conferred as the best research guide from JNTUH. He presented a research paper entitled Impact of Technological Transfer on Productivity at International Conference on Management of Technology at Miami, Florida, USA in February 1990. 5 of his research scholars were awarded PhD so far. On sabbatical from Dr. Arishri, he worked for Niswa College of Technology, Ministry of Social Affairs, Labour and Vocational Training, Sultanate of Oman during 1997 to 2002.
Dr. A.R. Arishri has the credit of introducing several new subjects as part of MBA curriculum, such as Business Intelligence, Financial Modeling, Key Account Management, Predictive Analytics, and these subjects provided tremendous potential employment for MBA students. Dr. A.R. Arishri was a commissioned officer in the Air Force and served as Associate MCC officer between 1988 to 1997 at JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad. Also, he has been the head Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad during 1994 to 97. His present areas of interest includes organizational behavior, human resource management, and strategic management.
Dr. A.R. Arishri is the recipient of State Teacher Award from Chief Minister, Government of Andhra Pradesh for his meritorious services to teacher and student fraternity on the occasion of Teachers' Day, that is September 5th, 2008. He always made his mark in the field of management and administration as the optimistic, dynamic, and as a beloved person. He is there for students and he will be always there for students, and we expect to render his services more and more for the student fraternity. We love you, sir.